As we've reported, 2 new vaccines promising to protect older adults from a dangerous virus are another step closer to getting FDA approval. Here to explain, Dr. Shira Doron, the Chief Infection Control Officer for Tufts Medicine Health System. Dr. Doron, thank you for being here.
Good to be with you.
So as you know, RSV kills thousands of Americans every year. We saw quite a surge of it back in the fall. There's never been a vaccine available before, but soon there might be 2 approved for people over the age of 60. How well do they appear to work?
Well, the Pfizer vaccine was about 67% effective in preventing what they called lower respiratory tract infection, essentially lung infection due to RSV. The GlaxoSmithKline vaccine was about 83% effective. And when they looked at more severe disease, those numbers were even higher. So that's pretty impressive.
So a panel of vaccine experts for the FDA, they did vote to recommend both the vaccines this week. There are some concerns, though. What can you tell us about those?
The votes were not unanimous when it came to safety. The panel voted in favor of both safety and efficacy of the Pfizer vaccine, but by a vote of 7-4 with 1 abstention. And then on the GlaxoSmithKline vaccine, they agreed unanimously on its efficacy, but they voted 10-2 in favor of safety. So the concern was a small number of serious autoimmune events known to be associated with vaccines, including Guillain-Barré, which is a condition that can lead to paralysis, and acute disseminated encephalomyelitis, which causes swelling of the brain and can lead to death. So the question is going to be, with that risk, however small, of serious adverse events, exactly who stands to benefit the most such that it's worth taking that risk.
All right, we all remember all too well the rush to get vaccines authorized for COVID-19, but this time the companies are trying to get these RSV vaccines approved, not just authorized. What's the difference here?
Yeah, the authorization process that the FDA employed for the COVID-19 vaccines is called an EUA, or Emergency Use Authorization. That was a mechanism that was used because of the COVID-19 public health emergency to allow us to start administering the vaccines before all of the participants had had 6 months of follow-up. Instead, half the participants needed to be followed for at least 2 months. We don't have an RSV public health emergency, even though RSV can be quite deadly for the elderly and for babies. So the companies needed to wait to submit for full approval after all of their participants had completed follow-up, and they have.
Okay, so let's talk a little bit more about that timing. RSV is a seasonal virus. It means you can see cases peak every winter. Do you think there's a chance one or both of the vaccines will actually be available come fall?
Well, the FDA is expected to make its decision by May. They usually do follow the recommendations of their advisory panel. So if that happens, I think the companies would plan to manufacture and distribute vaccine for the next winter season. But at least one of the advisors specifically said that he would like to see the participants followed for longer to see how the vaccines perform in future RSV seasons. So it's possible the FDA might decide to wait.
All right, Dr. Shira Doron, thanks so much.
Yeah, thank you, Dr. Doron. To our viewers, if you have questions that you'd like our experts to answer, just email them to ask@wcvb.com.